Hey, my friend, it's 𝗙𝗵𝗧𝗃, the digital fireman, and tonight I want to talk about how to make money with internet marketing. And so let's just talk about what you need to do. I've got about 5 steps here with some notes so that I don't miss anything. But number one, you got to get the education and the knowledge. What is the best way to do that? Well, you need to find a course or someone to mentorship after. So let me talk about both of those. I sell a course that teaches people exactly how to become digital marketers online. Many different ways about being a digital marketer. Number one, you can resell the course and make 100% commission. But the course also teaches you how to either be an affiliate marketer, which means sell other people's products for a commission, or become a digital marketer on your own, which means you could make your own course if you choose to do that. Currently, I don't make my own courses. I help people who are looking to make money online with the internet marketing. So this course teaches internet marketing and digital marketing. It has so many things inside of it. It has the different social medias. It teaches you exactly how to use TikTok and Instagram and YouTube and Facebook and Pinterest should you choose to use those for marketing. It also teaches you how to set up a marketing plan to be able to use those, how to create content like I'm making right here with a video on, this will go on YouTube. It teaches you how to set up the capture pages. We give you a free capture page so that you can capture this stuff, and we'll talk about that here in a minute. But these are just some of the things that are inside this course. So if you want to make money online with internet marketing, unfortunately it's going to cost something. You could spend hours, hundreds of hours online searching for the information online, and you may find it, but also some of the stuff you find may not be legit. They might be teaching you stuff that doesn't work. So the creators of this program, and they're just fascinating and very good at what they do. But the creators, Zach and Hannah, made this course, and we're in version 3. It's called Roadmap, version 3, and it's some of the best stuff I've ever seen, and I've bought a lot of courses in the past. But number 2, you need to determine your niche and what product you're going to promote. Like I said, for me, my niche is helping people who are looking for ways to make money online. A little bit about me. I'm a career firefighter. I love my job. I've been at it for 27 plus years. I'm eligible to retire right now with my pension. But it would be, right now, if I retired today, it would be 58% of what I make every year, or actually the pension base, which is less. So that's not enough for me to continue to live the lifestyle that I'm living. So that's why I went out to look for digital marketing, affiliate marketing, just a way to make more money to supplement my income. And I want something that I felt good about and could, promote to other people. And why not promote a course that I'm using myself, that I trust in myself. And I make 100% commission every time I sell this. So it's a great benefit for you should you choose to get the course. And it's also a great benefit for me as I take the course and learn exactly what I'm supposed to do to be successful online, which is working. Number 3, automation. The one nice thing about if you should join with me also is that we give you a complete system on top of the course that does all your automation. Now, what is automation, people ask? Well, that is where your automated sales letter is. So your sales page has a video that explains exactly what's inside of the program that you're going to learn from, the course. It also captures your email when someone says, hey, Brian, I want some more information about what you're doing. They type in their email. Then it sends out an automatic message to them and follows up with them and then gets them the information they want. And then I can also send emails down the road to them, whether it be automated setup, so that it goes day 1, day 2, day 3, or I can do what's called a broadcast where I'm like, hey, like this video here, I will send this out to my entire list of people on my email list and say, I made this video today about this. If you'd like to watch it, click here. Boom. If you'd like to get started in my business, click the link here to go to my website, which is goprowithbrian.com. Awesome. Automation is critical in this business because it will work for you when you're at work, when you're at the grocery store, when you're sleeping. If anybody wants information, they go to your link at that point. The system that automatically does it automatically shares your opportunity for them, or to them for you. Okay, so after that, number 3, we need to choose what social media and marketing plan we're going to use. And like I mentioned earlier, this course teaches you how to market on TikTok, Instagram, Pinterest, LinkedIn. It teaches you how to do YouTube and Facebook and all those social media sites. And one thing I will recommend is pick one, which I've picked YouTube. Pick one and become proficient and good at it and start making leads there before you move on to something else. Because honestly, you could be split. You could be trying to trying to share your content at multiple different places, and then you're not getting any traction. So pick one and stick with one. Learn the information that's in the back office there about that one social media platform, and then focus on that, become good at it, and then you can move on to adding another one. Number 5, team benefits. Should you choose to join our team, join with me, you're going to get one-on-one mentorship with me, but you're also going to get full access to my mentor, who's a 6-figure earner in the digital marketing world. She gives us weekly motivation, and she gives us one monthly video where it's a live video where you can interact. And then she gives us office hours on Tuesdays where you can ask any questions. And then all the trainings that she's done in the past are in the office that are recorded for you so that you go back and, get information about things you might have questions about. And you can ask more questions, like I said, on office hours. So listen, this has been a great program for me. It is still working very well. I'm learning more and more every day. If you'd like to take this journey with me, you'd like to learn how to become successful in quarter 2, 3, and 4 of 2024 and chase the ability to have freedom in your retirement without having to bank on your pension or a 401k or Social Security, then I recommend digital marketing and this course, the Roadmap 3.0. You can get more information by going to my link. It is 𝗙𝗂𝗹𝗶.com. If you have not already subscribed to my YouTube channel, I try to put up at least 2 to 3 videos per week on YouTube, which I expand on what I'm doing online. I give tips and tricks. So please subscribe if you'd like to get more information. And if you found value in this, please share it. You can definitely give a thumbs up to this video. It'll help the algorithm and push it out further. And if you have any questions, don't hesitate to put it in there, and don't hesitate to ask me anything, because I'm always looking for more ideas to answer in the content. And if you don't really even have a question, just comment in there #replay so that I know you got the replay and that's where you watched it. Again, my link is 𝗙𝗂𝗹𝗶.com, and I hope to see you really soon. Have a great day.